We are happy to learn that a missing asteroid large enough to destroy our planet will not hit Earth. Let's get into the details. NASA announced that a 54 million-ton asteroid will not hit Earth in 2024. This massive asteroid, called 2007 FT3, was first detected by astronomers in 2007. However, it could not be tracked after it disappeared from the field of view of space telescopes. Still, NASA has gathered enough information to calculate the risk of 89 possible impacts to Earth this year. According to the report of BG News in England, the probability of 2007 FT3 hitting our planet was announced as 1 in 10 million on March 3rd and 1 in 11.5 million on October 5th. Following this report, NASA announced that there was no known asteroid impact threat to Earth as potential impact dates approach. NASA and its partners diligently monitor the skies to find, track, and classify asteroids and near-Earth objects, including those that may approach Earth, a NASA spokesperson said. This statement means that NASA will notice it in the event of a possible collision in the future. The 2007 FT3 is still missing, and that's actually good news. If it were hurtling toward our planet right now, NASA would be aware of it. NASA defines asteroids that come within 30 million miles of Earth orbit as close approaches. So 2007 FT3 does not currently pose a threat to our planet. Much smaller than the Chicxulub asteroid that is believed to have slammed into Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula 66 million years ago and wiped out the dinosaurs. 2007 FT3 is still large enough to cause regional destruction. But if Bennu, a small near-Earth asteroid, passes through a gravitational keyhole in 2135, it has a 1 in 2,700 chance of colliding with Earth in 2182, according to NASA. NASA collected samples from Bennu last year and hopes these samples will help unlock secrets about the origin of life on Earth. This 4.5 billion-year-old carbon-rich space rock attracts great attention from scientists. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and space news. See you in the next video.